Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. What is going on with GameStop? Okay, you might be asking, this makes no sense. So I'm here for it to make sense. All right, so let's go and look at currently, let me just move me, okay. I'm currently in a position in Afria that I'm looking to unload right now in the after hours. So if that ends up coming through, I'll let you guys know. I have my order set out here. I could sell it for $12.95 if I want to, but I am jumping on this big bid right here because if there's a big buyer, they're only going to be able to purchase from the big part here. So if somebody wanted to get, you know, a 1,000 shares and there's only hundreds here, they're going to have to buy from this spot. So that's why I'm jumping in there. Anyway, that wasn't the part of this. Let's look at GameStop. Okay, this is out of control. Let's go and look at the long-term chart here. All right. Look at this. Okay, this is a short squeeze. It started back here on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it went from $20 to $38, basically doubling in value. A company that shouldn't even be $20 doubled in value. Now, why is this happening? What made this stock that has no business even being $10, $15 a share hit a high of $76? This here today was an epic short squeeze. And you're going to hear that term a lot, short squeeze. And I'm going to try my best to explain what that means to you guys. Okay, to short a stock, you're first selling the shares. Okay? So let's say I bet that GameStop was going to go down, back down here where it was actually trading, at a high valuation. People were shorting it. The float of GameStop had a very high percentage that was short held, which means that like 70% of the float, 70% of the people associated with the stock were betting that it was going to go down because they thought that it was too high here at 18, 19, whatever it was. So then news comes out that the Chewy found, that it's like a pet Chewy. It's like they ship like the pet food and whatever they do. It's like Petco, but they do a big e-commerce, and they actually, the creator of it did an amazing job with the company, and he came out and said that he was now going to be involved in GameStop, whether it be buying shares, he's on the board, they own a stake in it. It made some buying come in, okay? Buying that maybe should have made this stock go from 19 to maybe 21, 22. Any little pop caused the short sellers, the huge percentage of the float, which is the shares available to trade, were all in short, and they got squeezed out, which means that they had to buy on this day. The shorts had to actually buy shares to cover their short position, because when you short, you first sell, so you had to buy. I'm making this video for beginners, so if you already know this stuff, just bear with me. This is more for a beginner. So on these days, you had basically people were buying the stock because they saw value in the Chewy guy, right? Once that buying came, you had double buying from people covering their shorts. They were being stopped out, okay? Which made the stock rocket up because the entire float that was short had to buy. So you had a lot of buying. And that's what happened here today, because over here in this consolidation area, you had people, tons of people shorting it because it shouldn't be this high, right? And when I say it shouldn't, I'm just saying the valuation, but I mean, valuations in this market mean absolutely nothing, which is kind of scary to say, which, you know, suggests that we're probably due for a correction. But anyway, you had people still shorting here, piling in. And what happened today? You had more buying pressure than the shorts double buying. They had to cover all the way up. And when something like this happens, you can have what's called a margin call, which is your broker can actually get rid of your positions if you actually went through all your leverage. Because if you short, you're doing it on margin. So like if you short something, it's unlimited amount of money that you can possibly lose, because to short, you have to do it on margin. It's not like when you buy a stock, if it goes to zero, you know how much you're going to lose. If you buy $1,000 worth of GameStop long and it goes to zero, you lose $1,000. If you short something, it's absolutely unlimited how much money you can lose. And that's what happens here. You had people probably losing their entire life savings in this one green bar here. But that's why now there's a lot of people that see value in shorting stocks. I just think it's super dangerous. And if you're going to do it, you have to be really careful, because you can wake up one morning and your account has already been sold out by your broker, unless you can somehow come up with the money to cover the position. If you can't come up with the money to cover it, they're going to sell it on you or buy it in this case. So anyway, that's what happened to GameStop today. And I just wanted to let you guys know that. I'm sure a lot of people will be typing into Google GME, which is the ticker symbol for GameStop. And maybe they'll stumble upon this video. Maybe it'll help some people out. Let's see what my weed position is doing. All right, so we still have it out. Now the ask is, see, I could deal with 1297. Do you guys want to see a live execution? So let's cancel that. Okay, that's canceled. And let's jump here on this 1297. And let's see if we get filled. We'll see if we get filled while I'm making this. Maybe, maybe not. If it doesn't happen right now, I'm not going to keep you guys on the video. But the main part of this video was what in the world happened to GameStop. And guys, if you found this video educational, maybe it helped you guys out at all, maybe it helped you understand what a short squeeze is, or, you know, what it means to short a stock, please hit the thumbs up. It helps out the channel a lot. And if you're new, subscribe. Videos every day about the stock market, trading, you name it. Here comes some 1297s here. See right here, guys, this is Thinkorswim, by the way. This is their trading platform, which is totally free, and it's amazing. But if you guys, maybe I'll make a video on how to make your screen look just like this. This has everything that you would want. It has the level 2. It has the time and sales. It has the charts. I use the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and then I have my news right here. You just hover over it, and it comes up with what the latest news is. You click this button here, and I have all my watch lists over here. And that's it. I'll make a video probably this weekend on how to set up Thinkorswim, not just for day trading, but swing trading, whatever you guys want to do. So anyway, that's it for me. I really want to try to get this sale in so you guys can see, but it looks like there's right here is 2,400 shares at $12.96, which is a pretty big amount. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get in on that. That would mean that there would have to be way more than, we got 500, 200, and 300. So you have 1,000 shares here of buyers that put out there. That's how you read level 2. And you see how this is going down. Now it's 1,700. And then you got here 12, the sales with the time. So this is all pretty useful. I'm going to leave my order here. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. Have a great weekend, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and take care.